Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we will be reaching the end of this sketchbook pretty soon. It's taking such a long time to flip through these pages, so I'm kind of looking forward to starting a new sketchbook. So today we are going to be painting a very simple bokeh cityscape. So I've already kind of sketched out the two buildings in the background, and I'm going to paint them in dark blue. So I'm using Prussian blue. I'm mixing it with a little bit of Payne's gray. So it's going to be like a building on the left and then one leaning towards the right. So we're going to just paint them in one solid color, no shading, no nothing. We're just going to block them out, and then we're going to paint the sky, and I'm using sky blue for this with a little bit of white. This part is also very simple. We're just going to paint it in one solid color and no blending is required. So usually for this kind of like simple painting, I like to use a wider brush. It's just so much easier and it spreads the paint around so much more even. Next, we're going to switch over to the wool brush, and while the paint is still wet, I want to drag the sky blue and kind of like blend it into the building. I would say I'm kind of like glazing over it right now, so the brush is a little bit wet. So you have this thin layer of sky blue across the building, so it mutes it, and I also want to create like a much more softer sort of look in the background, and it kind of looks a bit more foggy or a bit of a misty night. So I continue to take the wool brush and I blend and I bring and I drag more sky blue downwards on the top part of the building to create like a mist or fog on the top. And I repeat this for the building on the left as well, and you can see like the background looks so much more softer. Next, I'm going to use another wool brush, a dry one, and I'm going to kind of move it in circular motions with titanium white in the space between the two buildings. And don't worry if it overlaps across the building, because we're going to paint a light on it on top of it later. Next, I want to add bokeh circles on the right building, just a few like in a row in the middle and on the side of the building. And then I'm going to soften it by adding the background color, which is Prussian blue and also a little bit of sky blue. I want to soften the edges of these circles, so you can see that it's a lot more muted right now, in the sense that the white circles are a little bit more grayed out. And I'm going to do the same for the left building. I'm going to draw a line of circles and I'm going to blur it out by muting it with the background color. We're going to leave that to dry, and then we're going to paint this lamppost in between these two buildings, and we're going to soften or rather blur out this lamppost by using the same technique earlier as we did with the buildings. We're going to glaze over it and blend the edges of it so that it looks a little bit softer. Next, I'm going to use a dry wool brush and I'm going to make these circular motions on the top of the lamppost in scarlet red until you can see like the edges are a little bit more frayed out. Then I'm going to add a bit of orange and I'm going to continue to blend it, and I want to soften around the edges as well so it looks like the light is kind of like glowing. And then once that's done, we're going to paint orange yellow in the middle, and we're going to line around it with a little bit of scarlet red, and in the middle we're going to add titanium white mixed with a bit of lemon yellow. While we let the paint dry, we're going to go back to the bokeh circles that we painted earlier, and we're going to just scatter a few circles on top of what we blurred out earlier. So instead of painting completely over it, we're just going to like sprinkle 1 or 2 circles in each line using titanium white, and as we go lower we're going to use orange yellow for the bokeh circles. Once that is done, we are going to drag the paint out from the lamppost. Again, we're going to just glaze over it, means I'm going to water down my paint. So I'm using orange yellow first, and from the middle of the circle I drag the paint out, and then the next layer I'm going to use a bit of white. I'm also going to water this down and I'm going to drag the paint outwards from the middle of the lamppost. Next, I'm going to draw a couple of branches. I'm using Mars black mixed with burnt umber, so you get this very dark shade of brown. I'm also using an angular brush to try to get that very thin lines. I think this is size 000. Once I've drawn my branches, then I want to add my leaves. So where the light is, I'm using burnt sienna to get that warm brown glow, and then I'm going to continue to thicken and add more leaves. So this part I kind of fast forwarded a bit. I use the wool brush to add a bit of volume to the leaves, and then I go in with the paintbrush to draw the individual leaves to give it a little bit more shape and also more volume. And once this is done, it is finished. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye.